How many traffic cones does it take to stop a bullet? Good luck, Fred. First up, 22.
First check.
Our bullet went through 1, 2, 3, bounced off the 4th, and the bullet landed right here. Next up, 380.
Subscribe this channel first.
Okay, our bullet went through 1, 2, 3, and then landed underneath the 3rd. Next up, 9 mil.
Hard.
All right, the 9 mil went through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then bounced off the 7. Moving up to the revolver, shooting around a 44 Magnum. Our bullet went through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bounced off the 8th, and then landed right here. Fred's fine. Moving up to the 12 gauge, shooting a slug.
Check this amazing.
Fred, the slug came in right here, and it made it through 8 cones, and then stopped